Fellow parents and curious minds, today we're diving into some groundbreaking research that might change the way we approach parenting. Picture this: the secret to slowing down your child's biological clock, giving them the gift of resilience. Now, who wouldn't want to know about that? Stick around because trust me, this is a game changer for every parent out there. Welcome to the journey of discovery that might just redefine how we nurture our little ones. If you're visiting for the first time, I am Dr. Taniesha Burke, your positive parenting coach. Now, let's get started. In the ever-evolving landscape of child development research, a recent study conducted by the University of Rhode Island shed light on the profound impact of positive parenting interventions on children who have faced early life adversities. Led by Dr. Justin Parent, an assistant professor of psychology, the study reveals that a family-centered program designed to enhance positive parenting, which is the framework of parenting for this channel, can potentially mitigate the effects of accelerated biological aging in children who have encountered significant challenges during their early years. Before we discuss the study, it's important to define epigenetic aging because this concept, although it's grown in the research field, many parents are unaware of it. So epigenetic aging involves the modification of DNA that influence gene expression and can accelerate or slow down biological aging process. Unlike chronological aging, it involves how environmental factors and experiences impact the regulation of genes. In the context of this study, epigenetic aging refers to the accelerated molecular aging observed in children facing early adversities. The primary aim of the study was to investigate whether positive parenting interventions could act as a shield against accelerated biological aging that often accompanies early life adversity. The study aimed to understand the potential of positive parenting programs in reversing or buffering the negative effects of trauma, maltreatment, chronic stress, and exposure to high-violence neighborhoods. The study involved families with children experiencing delays in development and disruptive behavior. These families were randomly assigned to either receive parent-child interaction therapy sessions through telehealth to learn positive parenting skills or to a control group. The sessions involved real-time coaching by therapists to help parents increase warmth and support while avoiding negative parenting behaviors. Epigenetic age acceleration was estimated with the pediatric vocal epigenetic clock. The pediatric vocal epigenetic clock is an innovative method used to estimate the biological age of an individual by analyzing the epigenetic changes in saliva. Specifically, it involves examining DNA methylation patterns in cells collected in the inner lining of the cheek. By assessing specific markers on the DNA molecule in vocal cells, scientists can derive an epigenetic age estimate. Adversity for the children was assessed using parent, family, and neighborhood level cumulative risk indicators. As mentioned earlier, this channel is grounded in a positive parenting framework, and so anytime there's a study that validates it, I'm always so excited to discuss. So the findings of the study are promising and suggest that positive parenting interventions have the potential to slow down the epigenetic aging process in children exposed to high levels of adversity. Children in the intervention group, where parents receive coaching in positive parenting skills, displayed lower epigenetic age acceleration compared to the control group. This implies that enhancing positive parenting behaviors can contribute to building biologically based resilience in children facing adversities. This is wonderful news for all of us who practice positive parenting. Now, as you heard, the study proves that positive parenting reduces the epigenetic aging in children who experience early childhood adversity. Now, some of you parents might be listening and actually have experience with that regarding your children, and you might be wondering, what can you take away from this study? So in the next few minutes, we're going to discuss tips that you can implement in your family, particularly those with children who experience early childhood adversities. We will give you tips on what you can do to reduce their epigenetic aging. As this channel is grounded in a positive parenting framework, our first tip is to ensure that you prioritize positive parenting whether or not your child has experienced childhood adversities. So actively seek ways to foster positive interactions with your child. Encourage open communication, express warmth, and provide consistent emotional support. And if you need some support in that, you can always reach out to me because I provide coaching and also other resources that you can use if you're a parent who wants to shift to more of a positive parenting approach. Our second tip is to participate in parenting programs. Consider enrolling in parenting programs that emphasizes positive parenting skills, such as what I provide and also all the content on this channel. These programs can provide valuable insights and practical strategies to navigate the challenges of parenting, especially in the face of adversity. Our third tip is to limit negative parenting behaviors. Be mindful of negative parenting behaviors such as yelling, shouting, or hitting, as these can contribute to accelerating biological aging in children because of the stress that it emits in their body. Seek alternative methods of discipline that promotes positive and nurturing environments. Fourth is to stay informed and involved. Stay informed about the developmental needs of your child and actively participate in their growth. Being involved in your child's life helps create a strong foundation for positive parenting. Our fifth and final tip is to encourage a growth mindset. In addition to positive parenting practices, fostering a growth mindset in your child can contribute significantly to their overall resilience. Encourage them to embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than viewing setbacks as failures. Teach them that effort and perseverance lead to improvement, emphasizing that abilities can be developed over time. By instilling a growth mindset, you empower your child to face challenges with resilience, optimism, and a willingness to learn, ultimately contributing to their psychological well-being and long-term success. This groundbreaking study underscores the transformative power of positive parenting interventions in mitigating the impact of early life adversities on children's biological aging. As researchers continue to expand this research, the hope is to develop practical tools such as a saliva-based biomarker to identify at-risk children and provide personalized prevention services. By prioritizing positive parenting, families can contribute to building a resilient foundation for their children, ensuring a brighter and healthier future. Now we're at the end of sharing the wonderful findings from this study, and I'm so happy that it focused on positive parenting, which is the foundation of this channel. As I've said multiple times before, I'm just so excited to have studies to validate our framework. Now, if you have been watching and you're not a subscriber, we encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted of our upcoming videos. And if you have parents and friends in your network who you think might benefit from learning about this study and other content on this channel, feel free to share it with them. It's been wonderful sharing this study with you, so thank you so much for joining us, and goodbye for now.